Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to fix this error message you're getting when you try to watch one of your videos in your YouTube channel. So just go and find the video that has the problem. I'm in my channel right now and I'm gonna give you an example. This usually happens when you have edited your video recently but you cannot access it anymore. So what I suggest in this case, I will go to details and I'm gonna unlist my video because I don't want my subscribers to have access to this video for now, because I'm gonna make changes. Just unlist it or put it in private, whatever, not public. So now go to editor, and in editor press that. You will have some options. You want to trim, what you want to do, you want to add a piece of music, whatever. So let's go to this one. For example, add a piece of music. I know that you don't want to add a piece of music to this video. We're just trying to fix the problem. To fix the problem, you need to make some changes to that video. So I'm gonna add any piece of music at random. Let's go with any piece of music. Just close your eyes and choose anyone. Let's go with this one. Save. Press save. I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna take 5 to 15 minutes to show up in my system. I don't want this to waste time on that. I'm just showing you how to fix the problem. Save the piece of music. You have any piece of music, it's not important. Nobody's gonna watch your video because it's unlisted. Once it's saved, go to the three dots after 15 minutes, 30 minutes, sometimes it takes up to 24 hours. So just press revert to original. This is gonna fix your problem. If after reverting to original does not fix your problem, go again to editor and add another piece of music. Let's go with any one. Press save. Wait again 15-30 minutes, an hour, and after that after a few minutes, just go back to the three dots and press revert to original. You will be able to watch your video, and you will be able to edit it again if you want to trim parts of your video, blur parts of the video, and stuff like that. So that's what I wanted to share with you today quickly. Please subscribe, leave your comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.